Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a top pick for any plant enthusiast, the NXTYAOB Repotting Mat, which we've named the best raspberry plant. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a new plant parent, this little game changer makes messy indoor gardening a thing of the past. Let's start with the basics. The mat measures 27 inches by 27 inches, making it ideal for handling small potted plants, especially succulents. It's not too big and not too small, just the right size to fit on your kitchen countertop or a compact gardening space indoors. But if you work with medium or larger plants, NXTYAOB does offer this mat in larger sizes. Now let's talk about what sets this mat apart. The material used is a newly developed thickened polyethylene, that's PE, and it's completely waterproof on both sides. It's designed to handle wear and tear, especially from frequent folding and unfolding. That means it lasts longer and holds up even if you're a daily gardener or just someone who repots plants seasonally. Assembly is refreshingly simple. Just snap together the four corners and you've got a neat, contained tray that holds soil, water, leaves, and tools all in one place. No more dirt on your floors or scattered debris on your dining table. When you're done, just unclip a corner and pour out the soil. Cleanup? A breeze. The surface is smooth and wipes down easily. Plus it dries quickly so you can fold it up and stash it away with your other gardening tools. What's more, this mat is foldable, portable, and reusable. You can roll it up, tuck it into your gardening bag, or leave it by the windowsill without it taking up much space. It's a dream for those with limited room or who enjoy gardening on the go. Use-wise, the versatility is impressive. Beyond repotting, it's great for fertilizing, pruning, watering, or even crafting projects that get a little messy. Indoors, patio, or even on the lawn, this mat fits in just about anywhere. But the magic is in the user experience. It's all about convenience. No need to bend over awkwardly or make a mess on your kitchen counter. The raised edges keep everything tidy, and its pale green color adds a calm, plant-friendly aesthetic to your space. To top it off, this mat makes for a fantastic gift. Whether it's Mother's Day, a birthday, or a holiday surprise, it's perfect for anyone who loves plants, men or women. It's practical, stylish, and shows you really know what they're into. So if you're looking to keep your plant care clean, easy, and even fun, the NXTYAOB Repotting Mat is a standout. Durable, waterproof, easy to use and store, it ticks all the boxes. That wraps up today's product critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you've tried this product or want us to review a different gardening essential next. Happy planting!